In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the Narrator keyboard shortcut on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back to settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side underneath vision, you want to go down and select Narrator. And where it says keyboard shortcut for Narrator, make sure it's toggled to the on position. So this would just press the Windows logo key, Control, and the Enter key to turn on the Narrator as well as turn it off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.